You're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, boy. There's no one like you around. Oh, baby.
Baby girl.
Hey my loves, it's London Tay coming to you today with another video. You know I decided to pull out that natural hair flow, but I'm just jumping right into the video. I am co-washing my hair using the Aussie products. They are bomb.com. You know it is. If you haven't tried it, girl, go get you some. Go get you some. I use the conditioner. Don't really use any shampoo in my hair, period. So I just use the conditioner and the deep conditioner. And when I tell you my hair be soft, softer than a baby's booty, be softer than a baby's booty. So I am done finally kind of co-washing. I did have a little product left over in my hair, that's what you see at the top. It's cool. We co-wash. Ain't no biggie. You know what I'm saying? So right now I'm just detangling with the wide tooth comb. If it looks like my scalp is red, well, honey, you are right. It is red. I did put a red rinse at the tip, well, on my hair, because my hair is lightened on the tips, and I wanted a kind of a new look. I was so tired of the blonde or the different tri-colors that was in my hair, you guys. I don't think you've ever seen it, but it looks a hot mess, okay? But yes, just detangle. Try to detangle from the ends to the roots to make sure you're not, pulling out any unshed hair that ain't even supposed to be pulled out. You know how we do. We be impatient. We don't be want to do that. And once you are done detangling your hair, which you should have detangled your hair while you co-wash as well. But this is just step 2 of detangling, just to make sure everything, all the shed hair is out and all the tangles are out. I did just re-wet my hair a little bit with the water just to get the curls back flowing and not be frizzy before I put this product in my hair, just to ensure that it's very, very smooth, moisturized, and laying and not really frizzing up. We don't want no extra frizz. So, baby girl, after you finish wetting the hair and get the curls back intact, what you're going to do is you're going to squeeze out the excess water with a old t-shirt, not a cotton towel. It's just going to soak up all too much water and you're going to have frizz. So an old t-shirt would do you justice. I do use the products, the Garnier Fructise leave-in conditioner and the Shea Moisture Jamaican black castor oil leave-in treatment. Both are super, super, super bomb. I love Shea Moisture because it is all natural. No extra products, no sulfates, anything like that. But I do use sulfates sometimes, so I'm not completely all natural when it comes to my product. And I love the Garnier Fructise leave-in conditioner. It provides a lot of slip and it really gets my hair smooth like it says on the bottle. This is a staple product. It's been out for years and years and years in the game and it's still holding strong. But guys, do you peep the technique that I'm using though? The technique is everything, okay? It is everything. Kind of like when you do makeup, you gotta blend, 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 blend. When it comes to applying products, literally you have to smooth out the root, smooth it out in like a praying hands motion, and finger detangle or finger comb through. That's going to make sure that you get every single strand that is on your head. So yes, if you peeped it, I definitely use 3 different techniques. I use the praying hand motions, then I finger comb it through, and then I kind of get the hair and kind of shake it just to loosen up the curls, to kind of to encourage the curls to form. Okay guys, pay close attention to what method I use. Once I get to the front, it is the shingling method. There are tons of videos about this method, and what it does is you just piece apart little strands of hair and you smooth it out or coil it on your finger and then release. So it just ensures no frizz. It really, really, really makes sure that you have that what is that, detail in the front, you know, that curl definition. There you go, there you go, there you go. Yes, and make sure you have that curl definition that you want, and especially in the front, you know, that's what everyone's going to see, and that's what you're going to see, and you want to make sure it's bomb, right? Okay, so that's the method you're going to use. I'm just going to kind of twirl it around my finger, and again, that's going to help eliminate the frizz and really, really, really define the curls in the front. And of course, you will repeat the process throughout your head until you're completely done. And that's all, boo. After everything is completely 100% dry, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a zab of coconut oil. I'm going to rub it on my fingertips, and I'm going to separate the coils that are in my hair. I like big hair. I like it to be full because I have naturally fine hair, even though it's getting thicker over time because I do take multivitamins with biotin in it. And I think that's really been helping. And I've been vegan for a while, so I think that's both been helping, you know, provide like extra like pow to my hair. And that's all for today's tutorial. All of the products that I have used, it will be listed in the description box. I love you guys so much, and talk to you later. Bye, guys. Mwah.